Uh,
All of them do. And I think no yellow one.
Enjoy the ride.
I don't know. I've never heard or seen anything about positive about Starfield. Oh, man. Can I do clear?
Ooh, the party!
Not really the best time to celebrate.
No, the politicians, the big mouse party. Yes, sir? We're bitten by a poisonous snake. Are you okay?
Yeah, I wouldn't consider it horror either.
My head.
It's more of like a detective drama with horror elements. Dark Souls 3. 5.7%.
Here's the thing, we live in a red state. I don't know how much longer we'll be a red state, but no matter who is in the election, it's going to go Republican.
Would I rather have a Dead Space 2 remake or original build of New Vegas? Cavacula? Doom Guy and Pokemon? Can I address the page 5, isn't it? There's nothing to address. Nothing to address. For the most part, yeah. I mean, like, I feel pretty good.
What? What?
You know the pro MVZ guy I told you about like 2 weeks ago?
Elder Scroll, but just imagine. So it would be. What's wrong with my calling card? I got the master. Dude, I used to know every Call of Duty map. Yeah, Modern War 2019 is crossplay. Yeah, it's got my favorite things on it.
I can't hear yes. All right.
My back. She has to go walk for 4 minutes, and then she has to run for 2. That's her homework because she pays for this running class. Because I build my whole life around making sure her life is good. I'm sure if I played Conquest, it'd put me right into a Conquest game that was full. When are you gonna do a marathon stream? The second Bungie sends me a copy.
Prying eyes wander.
Oh man. I've had pizza in Queens. I've had pizza in Buffalo. I've had pizza in California. Besides bills, I can live on $50 a week. I think most people could. Scared Bunny don't make no money. And that's the reason
Where are you going?
I'm going to the green roof. Fly lets you fly over obstacles and stuff. McDonald's, for the most part, is nasty. What do we got? Hot mustard. Cajun chili. And sweet chili. No, I didn't know the McDonald's thing. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.